Okay, ladies and gentlemen, turns out that Canvas won't let you submit more than one file if you're going through the OneDrive, the Office 365. So here's a workaround. The first thing you need to do is save both files to your desktop. So you go to your OneDrive, your PowerPoint, your Word document. I think it's download a copy. So save a copy of each to your desktop. And then here's what you do. You go to the assignment. In this case, it's 2.2. You come up here, a submit assignment like you always do. And then here, instead of clicking Office 365, go to File, Upload, choose File, pick one from your desktop, right? And then click here, add another file. And then you can choose the other file, excuse me, right? And that way you can upload your PowerPoint and your anticipation guide both to the same assignment, which is what I want you to do. And then just click Submit Assignment like you always do. Okay? That's the workaround.